All right, day 10, 11, and 12 of the turnaround are complete. One of the most important things and the takeaways from the last 3 days, from my point of view, is you got to be able to weld different materials at any given moment. So, if you're on a job and you're welding a lot of carbon, don't get used to that being the material that you weld all the time. So if you're on like a specialty company, you may weld 3 or 4 different materials in the same day. So the other day, I welded some stainless, chrome, and carbon all in the same day, and they all take different techniques and heat temperatures and things like that to make the weld happen. So, whenever you're what I consider a very versatile welder is somebody who can make 5 different types of alloy welds in the same day. Now, after a certain point in time in your welding career, pretty much it's going to all be the same. It'll all start to blend. That's kind of where I'm at in my welding journey. I've been welding for a while now, and welding carbon, chrome, Inconel, stainless in the same day wouldn't be that different for me because I've been doing it for a while and they kind of all feel the same. And then at that point in time, you really don't worry that much about welds or busting them. The only time you bust is if some weird catastrophe happens with like the type of argon that you're using or the type of wire that you're using. In some alloys you won't see visible porosity or defects, but it'll show up on film or phase array. So, at about year 5 or 6, you'll start to really get the hang of things and not worry so much about welds or weld tests or what material it is. You'll just be like, where's the weld? When does it need to be done, etc. So, don't worry in the beginning if you struggle with welding certain materials or being able to feel confident in welding a lot of different materials. It'll come with time, and one day you'll look back and you'll be like, man, why did I worry so much about welding? And it's nothing now. Someone can point a direction and I can make that weld.